after 60, your body starts sending you subtle warning signs. A slight tingling in your fingertips. A small ache in your knees when you stand up. Legs that suddenly feel heavier, stiffer, like they've aged faster than the rest of you. Most people think it's just part of getting old, but the truth is, it's not. These are signs that collagen, the protein that keeps your joints, nerves, and muscles strong, is slowly disappearing. And here's the shocking fact. By age 65, you've already lost over 30% of your natural collagen. The good news, these symptoms are completely preventable and reversible. Today, we're revealing the 8 most collagen-rich vegetables, ranked from least to most powerful. All easy to find in any grocery store or local market. Each one backed by science to help rebuild joint strength, restore nerve function, and bring life back to tired legs and tingling hands. And here's the kicker: vegetable number 3 has been shown to cut nerve pain by up to 40% in just weeks. Before we dive in, tell me this: do you feel it more in your hands or in your legs? Drop your answer in the comments. My team and I read and reply to every single one, because your story matters. And wait, why are you not subscribing to WellthWise yet? If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to WellthWise, and turn on the bell. Because every week we share simple, science-backed tips to help you move better, feel stronger, and age with confidence. So let's begin this journey, starting with the vegetable at number 8. It's familiar, yes, but you might never have guessed. It could be the key to unlocking your body's collagen engine again. 8. Red bell peppers, the colorful collagen catalyst. Packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient your body needs to produce collagen. 1 cup of chopped red bell peppers gives you nearly 200% of your daily requirement. Vitamin C acts like the spark plug that triggers collagen production. Without it, your body simply can't make enough. 7. Spinach, the leafy protector of your collagen foundation. Spinach is rich in antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which protect collagen from breaking down too quickly. It also contains magnesium, which keeps your muscles and nerves functioning properly. 6. Okra, the natural cushion for joints and nerves. Okra is high in mucilage, a natural gel-like substance that acts as a lubricant for your joints. This makes it excellent for reducing stiffness and improving mobility. 5. Broccoli, the collagen rebuilder of your body. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound shown to protect cartilage and slow the breakdown of joint tissue. It also helps lower inflammation, which is a key factor in joint pain. 4. Beets, the circulation booster for collagen and joints. Beets are rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow to your muscles and joints. Better circulation means more nutrients, including collagen, reach the areas that need them most. 3. Seaweed, the mineral treasure for collagen renewal. Seaweed contains amino acids and minerals that directly support collagen synthesis. Studies show it can even help reduce nerve pain by up to 40% in just a few weeks. 2. Asparagus. The antioxidant shield for your collagen asparagus is loaded with glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that prevents collagen breakdown. It also supports liver detoxification, which keeps your body in balance. 1. Parsley. The collagen champion parsley may look like a garnish, but it's one of the most powerful collagen-boosting vegetables. It's packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants that stimulate new collagen production and keep your skin, joints, and blood vessels healthy. Before we close, remember this: tingling hands, weak legs, or stiff joints are not a life sentence of aging. They're simply your body's way of saying it needs to be nourished from within. And today you've learned 8 vegetables, affordable, easy to find, and backed by science, that can help rebuild collagen, protect your joints and nerves, and keep you walking strong while living fully each day. Now, I want to ask you, will you start by improving your tingling hands or your weak legs first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll read and value every single one because your story truly matters. And again, why not hit like and subscribe to WellthWise right now? Share this with someone you love, because here at WellthWise, every week, we're right beside you, helping you grow stronger, steadier, and happier after 60.